Welcome back to Sensibility, now reimagined as Marketing Sensibility. When I first launched this podcast during the pandemic, face-to-face engagement was nearly impossible, and businesses were navigating uncharted territory. We explored marketing challenges, business pivots, and the realities of a world in flux. Since then, I've had the privilege of working closely with lodges, boutique hotels, and service-driven businesses. These experiences have deepened my understanding of what truly drives guest engagement, brand loyalty, and sustainable growth. And now, in the age of AI, Marketing Sensibility returns with a sharper focus. Marketing strategies that apply across industries, powered by insights from the hospitality frontline. Whether you're a hotelier, restaurateur, or service entrepreneur, this podcast is your guide to avoiding common pitfalls and unlocking smarter, more human-centered marketing. In the first episode, we're diving into the 5 hotel marketing mistakes that are costing you guests and how to fix them. Let's get into it. The first mistake on my list is the over-reliance on OTAs. Many hotels and lodges still rely heavily on online travel agencies or OTAs like Booking.com or Expedia, and happily sacrifice up to 30% in commission. The fix is to invest in your direct booking channels and offer exclusive perks. Example, a free breakfast or room upgrade for direct bookings. Use retargeting ads and email campaigns to bring visitors back to your site. There are tools like Cloudbeds and SiteMinder which will help optimize your booking engine. The second mistake on my list is the use of generic one-size-fits-all messaging. Sending the same email to every guest or using bland social media captions that just do not resonate. The fix clearly is to personalize your messaging, to use guest data and segment guests by behavior or preferences or booking history. And again, there are AI tools like Revenate or Zoho CRM which will automate the process and build offers that feel tailor-made. Number 3 on my list of mistakes is a clunky mobile site or booking process that frustrates users. The fix is to ensure your website is mobile first. That means fast load times, thumb-friendly navigation, and a seamless booking flow. Over 80% of travel bookings now happen on a mobile phone, and we can't afford to lose that traffic. Number 4 on my list is underutilizing guest data. The mistake we all make is to collect valuable data about preferences, feedback from guests, booking behavior, but rarely use it to improve marketing or customer service. To fix that mistake, we need to turn data into action. Use it to create loyalty programs or upsell relevant services, and even personalize follow-up emails. There are tools like Hotjar or Guest Review which can help you visualize guest behavior and sentiment. And the final point on my list of mistakes is inconsistent branding across channels. The mistake is your Instagram looks modern, but your website feels like 2012, or your tone of voice changes from email to social. The fix is to audit all brand touchpoints and create a style guide that includes tone, color palette, and messaging pillars. Use tools like Canva Pro or Trello to keep your team aligned and your visuals consistent. In conclusion, I'd like to say that fixing these 5 mistakes doesn't require a huge budget, rather just a shift in mindset. and the right tools. By modernizing your marketing approach, you'll not only attract more guests, but also build lasting loyalty in a very crowded market. In the next episode, I'd like to explore various AI tools. We were all introduced to ChatGPT over a year ago, and many of us still use it as a Google replacement. It's time to shift into a higher gear and leverage the tools that have an established track record. Like my previous episodes, this one too is published to start a conversation and nudge you. If you found it useful, I'd be most grateful if you shared it with a colleague. Until next time, take care of yourself, and if you can, someone else too.